I always wanted to come here and do a trek. Look that side. थोड़ी सी चोट लग गई बिकॉज रास्ता थोड़ा खराब था एंड आई हैव अ पैराशूट. So the day before the marathon, I reached Hampi and I went for the Matanga Hill trek. So this is Matanga Hill, and every time I come to Hampi, this is my favorite spot. Just in front of Guru temple. उसके पीछे I have taken a homestay. This is my favorite spot for sunrise. I've reached a bit late. Sunrise already हो चुका है. My bus was late. Actually it was on time, but सनराइज के पहले उसे पहुंचने का टाइम था नहीं. तो still visit this place. So generally जब भी मैं हम्पी आता हूँ I go for Matanga Hill trek at least एक बार. But that is always before the sunrise क्योंकि the reason I go there is to watch the sunrise. इस बार I reached Hampi a bit late and already मेरे home stay पे check-in time नहीं हुआ था, so I kept my baggage over there and I came for the trek. So Matanga Hill is also an important place in Ramayana. Sugriv was hiding over here from his brother Bali, or actually there is one cave. If you come here maybe you can go inside. This is the one. I came here multiple times, so this time I decided that I want to complete my trek, so मैं cave के अंदर नहीं गया. I climbed to the Matanga Hill. Went towards the sunrise spot, और sunrise already हो चुका था. I always wanted to come here and do the trek. Look that side. Oh boy. Go to the temple. Maybe I'll come back from the other side. I think so. Can do it. It is doable actually. So I have a half marathon tomorrow. और आज मैं ट्रक करने का सोच रहा हूँ. ऑलरेडी इन मटन आने का मतलब और शर्कत करता है. So I came to this place multiple times, and every time I came I wanted to trek down from the spot where I watched sunrise. But generally जब भी आओ तो जिनके साथ आए हो they will get tired and ये ट्रैक हो नहीं पा रहा था. This time, since I was alone in my solo trip, the main reason was the marathon, but आए हैं तो घूमना तो बनता ही है. So I decided I'll complete my trek. I'll trek down, go to that temple that I can see from the mountain. तो इस तरफ में एक साइन बना था which showed the path, but I missed it, so I took a U-turn, figured out the place किधर जाना है और मैं आगे बढ़ गया. So ये रास्ता काफी पतला था और sand was kind of loose, so I did fall. But again I got up and decided to continue. आसपास कोई था भी नहीं. I came here, I could see a temple, कुछ लोग, some monkeys. I was not expecting this, but when I saw the temple जहाँ मुझे जाना था, I was so happy. Finally I made it. Wanted to do it from couple of years. Today was a day.
मेरे पीछे उस तरफ में that is Matanga Hill. So on the top ऊपर जाके that is the good place for sunrise. और हमेशा मैं उधर सोचता था कि कभी ना कभी नीचे इस पर आऊँगा. फाइनली टुडे. थोड़ी सी चोट लग गई बिकॉज रास्ता थोड़ा खराब था. एंड आई हैव अ पैराशूट टूर.
I was so happy that I made it. और एक सेल्फी तो बनता है. Most of my journeys are like that. मुझे एक पर्टिकुलर प्लेस जाना होता है, मैं जाता हूँ और वापस आ जाता हूँ. Happy thing about the journey is the journey. So this was like another route जो कि आप ले सकते हो if you want to go there, which is comparatively easier than climbing the Matanga Hill and then climbing back. So this place is again Matanga Hill से थोड़ा सा पास. I don't know why they created this shade. It was sunny, so I took the shades. I can see some monkeys. वो देखो एक क्या. So all of them were on the roof. So ये जगह छोड़ दिया मैंने. And on the way I found this hand pump. Finally cleaned the bruises. And went back towards my homestay. On the way वीरूपक्ष टेम्पल है और ये उसके बाहर में एक टैंक है. So this spot is near to the Hampi Island ferry point. Finally, when I came, my room was ready in the homestay. एक hut था where I stayed for a couple of days.